Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to use Prezi. This is a great presentation tool. It's just a little bit better than PowerPoint, or it's more updated than PowerPoint. It zooms in and moves around and twists and turns, so it keeps the student's attention better than a regular PowerPoint. You do have to create an account. They do have the basic account, but I've been using the basic account since 2013 and I've been fine. I haven't needed to upgrade. So I'm going to show you a Prezi that I made. Right here is the home screen. All of your Prezis that you've either made or that you made a copy of other people's Prezis is saved here, so you have it for easy access. This is a Prezi that I made in 2013 I had to do an author study on Judy Blume in one of my college classes. When you click on it, you can either edit or present it. Even with me making it so long ago, I can still go in and edit it. I've already have it pulled up because it takes a little while to load, so I do suggest if you're going to use Prezi in the classroom to go ahead and have it pulled up and ready to go so your students aren't sitting there waiting on you. This is my home screen of my Prezi. I'm going to click to present it like I would be. See right here, you can copy your link. Actually, I'll just click right here and show you. But see, it zooms in. And you wouldn't even know that was there because looking at the home screen. So sometimes you can amaze the kids at how it zooms in and out. So I would suggest not to click on it too fast because you may have some kids that get motion sickness. But it's just a fun way to keep the students interested. They never know which way the presentation is going to go. So I'm going to go back to my home page now, and I'm going to show you how to find Prezis that were already made. Just like with Kahoot, yeah, it's always fun to do, make your own Prezis, but if you're in a hurry, they do have some that's already made. I clicked on the Explore button, and let's type in technology in the classroom and see what's already been made. Alright, see right here, I'm going to go ahead and click this so that way because if it's not reusable, I can't present it. So it narrows it down. And then you have more than 1,000 Prezis on technology in the classroom that you can click on and see if it's what you would like. And then once you click on one that you like, you can make a copy of it to your board, and that's when you can go in and make edits to whatever you need to add to it. I really think, Prezi can be time consuming, but in the long run I think the students would really enjoy it, and they're not used to it. See right here, you can make a copy of it and save it to your board, so then you can go in and change what you need to make it fit for your presentation.